you'll never throw away used cooking oil again. To start, we're going to grate the peel of an orange because this will give it a spring-like touch and completely eliminate the bad smell of the oil. Next, we'll take some vanilla. 1 tablespoon will be enough, as it will add a sweet and relaxing aroma. Now, in a saucepan over medium heat, we'll combine these ingredients and bring them to a boil. Don't forget to stir well with a spoon. While that's happening, we'll find a glass jar with a lid. We'll take a nail or a screw and, with a few taps, pierce the lid to create a small hole that will come in handy later. Next, we'll make a wick with some cotton and insert it through the hole we just made. At the bottom of the jar, we'll place a few slices of dried orange. These slices will help the scent last longer. After that, we'll place a strainer over the jar and pour the mixture we prepared in the saucepan. Once everything is ready, we'll take the wick and the lid and close the jar. Now, in an open space, we'll light the cotton until it starts to smoke and turns into an aromatic wick. In just a few minutes, you'll begin to smell a spectacular fragrance that will transform the atmosphere of your home.